Hello class 8. So our today's chapter is payment gateways and our today's topic is online transaction and role of payment gateways. So as we learn in our online classes that online transaction and role of payment gateways play a very important role in the online transaction. So payment gateways are very necessary to perform online transaction. Although payment gateway play a different roles, it's depending on the type of actually the transaction. Like for example, net banking, swiping machine, etc. Today we will study about the role of payment gateways in the credit or debit card transaction. So as you can see, there are few points. So we will discuss these points. So the customer clicks the buy button after he or she pick the product on the online stores. The customer's browser encrypts the transaction data for a security purpose, and after that it's sent to the merchant server. Then the merchant server forwards the transaction detail to their payment gateways. After that, payment gateways authenticates the online stores. After authenticating, the payment gateway shows the available payment method to the customer. Actually, this is how our online transaction happen with the help of payment gateways. More points you'll see in the next slide. So once the customer pick a payments method, the payments gateway transmit or transfer all the details to the payment processor, that particular employee of the merchant's bank are working. Then the merchant banks, again it passes this information, the details information, to the customer's bank that has issued the particular card, whether it is debit or credit. And after that, after issuing, bank goes over the customer credit or debit limit and the payment method's validity and send a response. That means either it is approved or it is rejected. The payment processor. The payment processor then send this response to the payment gateway, and finally the payment gateway communicates the response to the website where a relevant message is displayed about the transaction, that your transaction has successfully done. So this is how all the transactions happen. So this is how the role of payments has happened. So in our next class, we will know about the importance of payment gateways. So class 8, before that, I will request you, all of you go through the books, page number 161 and page number 162. So that this will be our last topic from this chapter. So I can give the question answer and we can move to the next chapter. So thank you.